Happy birthday!
It's my birthday.
Y'all, I have been trying to record this 3 times. My mic wasn't plugged in, number 1, classic Todd. Then the camera battery died. So look at this nutso setup. I've got camera, mic, it's not recording yet. I had to plug it in. I got a key light, I got a key light, I got another key light, and I'm trying to read this screen, so bear with me. What's up YouTube? It's your favorite bearded travelers, Aaron and Todd. You guys know that we travel all over creation using miles and points, and we vlog our adventures along the way. Recently, we've been posting videos about our renovation of our Mercedes Sprinter Amazon Prime van into our getaway on wheels. But for this series, we're back in the air, thank goodness. It's July, so that means it's Aaron's birthday month. So we've got a trip we're taking to Arizona to see the Grand Canyon, Horseshoe Bend, and ending in Las Vegas. We flew one way on Delta from Virginia to Arizona for a whopping $6 with a layover at Delta's hub in Atlanta, Georgia. While on our layover, the Delta crew surprised Aaron with a birthday celebration. That was so nice of them. So in today's vlog, we're gonna bring you along our travel day to Arizona. We're gonna explain how we got a $6 flight, and we're gonna show you how you guys can get a $6 flight of your very own. These are our stories. Dun dun. First location, Richmond Airport. Michaela just woke up from a nap. 2:53. We don't board for another 2 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and go through security once everybody finishes in the bathroom, and then just hang out at the gate. I need to take a nap. I have not slept since yesterday morning. Say that again.
We got 2 minutes. Why? Because it's travel day.
Yo, I said you could go through the gate. We weren't at I said closed at 4. Honey, it was 3:59.
All right, through TSA, we're good. Now we're gonna find a place to sit.
Alright, for real,
Is it all that?
just try it.
Very cardamom-y. Cardamom-y, that's a word. Cardamom-y.
You reach your row, kindly stow your items and step out of the aisle quickly and safely. Please put your small items underneath the seat in front of you, handbags and computer bags, small packages and or backpacks, so as not to take up the space.
The full retail price of this flight was $513. And you see for 2 tickets, it was 45,000 miles and $11.20, or $6.10 per ticket. We used 22,500 Delta SkyMiles to book this flight. So now, how did we earn the miles to cover this flight? Well, it was by using the Delta American Express, and the miles came from the sign-up bonus that we earned and the everyday spend, you know, swiping the card and our everyday purchases. We've talked before about the insane travel perks provided by our American Express Platinum card, but something specific to Delta when flying a confirmed seat. This Platinum card provides free access to their network of sky lounges that may be at your airport of origination or layover. Somebody forgot their bag, and it wasn't me. I film the vlogs, I edit the vlogs, I publish the vlogs. I can't get my suitcase. Here we are, Atlanta. Well, we gotta go to the bathroom and then we're gonna find the Sky Lounge. Thank you. Oh, that's cool. The American Express Platinum and Centurion cards grant free access to Delta Sky Club locations when traveling on a same-day confirmed seat ticket on a Delta-operated flight. So it's a weird thing. You would think flying Delta with a Platinum American Express Delta card that you would get into the Delta Sky Lounge at no cost. Well, actually, you don't. You have to pay $50 if you only have the Delta American Express. We got in there for free using our regular Platinum American Express. You can bring guests in. I think you can bring 2 guests, but it's $50. But this card, as long as you are a card holder, you get in the Delta Sky Lounge for free. So Delta, I think you need to negotiate with American Express a little bit more, you know, to get people to come into your lounge. But honestly, guys, the Platinum card from American Express, this card provides more travel perks than any card that we have.
They're trying to prepare. I'm trying to give you a birthday celebration. I told them I have a birthday celebration. So they're preparing you something for 3.
Oh, that's so nice.
Of course. Okay.
And what's your name?
Jerry.
Jerry.
I try to celebrate people's birthdays.
Yeah.
Anniversaries or birthdays. Right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's so sweet of her.
All right, so we told the really nice lady we'll have to get her name here in the Terminal B Delta Sky Lounge. Today was Erin's birthday, and so she asked us how long we were still gonna be here, and we told her about another 15 minutes. And I don't know where she went, but I'm setting up the camera because I don't know where she might come out with some kind of cake or something. I don't know, so we'll see. What are they gonna bring, you guys? Leave us a comment down below. What do you think they're gonna bring? The excitement. Jerry at Terminal B, Delta Sky Lounge, Atlanta, Georgia. You're the best. Oh, you guys. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you guys.
And y'all, they also getting married.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. So yeah, we're celebrating his birthday. We're headed out to the Grand Canyon and Las Vegas, then back home.
All right.
Okay.
So,
You got my put up the glasses up to the picture you guys?
yeah, sure.
Cheers to you guys.
Appreciate it.
And happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
2 seconds later.
Demolished. Happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
Delta Lounge, Terminal B, Atlanta. That was epic. We really appreciate the hospitality. Up there. Into the chaos of the airport. Ah! Looking for B9.
Silver medallion members will be awarded
leave all carry-on items behind.
We are rolling. Bye, take care. All right, y'all, welcome to the big old Phoenix, Arizona, where the local time is 12.
I don't know.
Something, but it's hot as all get out outside.
What will it?
Ew. Boy, this jet bridge is like uphill.
I got some
Whew. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here for today. Next week, we're going to the Grand Canyon and Horseshoe Bend. And if you have never been out there and seen the just expanse of the Grand Canyon, pictures and video just do not do it justice. In channel news, which I'm sure all of you are sick and tired of hearing, but we are thrilled, our channel recently crossed 1,000 subscribers, and we're able to monetize our channel. And so these ads that you see playing on our videos, we appreciate you watching those ads, because those ads They give us a few bucks to help keep this content free for you, and it puts a little money in our pocket to stay on the road. As always, if you're so inclined, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on our videos. Hitting the like button tells YouTube that I did something today, but it also helps push our videos in front of more travel enthusiasts. So you guys stay out of the heat, and we'll see you next week.
Stop.
Ooh.
Station.
Feel that heat. Feel that heat. That Arizona heat.
Clear the doors.
What's up, YouTube? It's your... You guys know we travel all over creation using miles and points. Recently, we've been posting videos from our... Recently, while on... Arizona...